here we are going to find an equation of a circle given the center or the endpoints. So here we are told to find the equation of a circle and we are given the center. So the center of this circle is, let me sketch it here. So the center is 3 minus 4, and you're told this circle passes through a point 4, 2. So if I connect these 2 points, I get the radius. And if you remember the distance formula, the distance between 2 points is given by x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. We get the square root of that. So if I was to get this squared, it will just be x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. So in the same way, if I want to get the radius squared, remember the formula applies for any distance. So to get the radius squared, which I need for my equation, I can call this my x1, y1, x2, y2. So this is going to be my x2, which is 4, minus x1 is 3 squared plus, then y2 is 2 minus y1. So I square that. Now I just have to simplify. So this is 1. 4 minus 1 squared is 1. And the next one is 2 minus negative 4 is 6. So that is 6. So I get that is 7. So r squared is 37. And now my equation becomes x minus 3. Since, remember, this is the center right there. So that's the center. So x minus 3 squared plus y minus negative 4, that becomes plus 4 squared is equals to r squared, which is 37. So that's the equation of the circle. Let's do another one here. So here we are given the endpoints of the diameter. So we have the circle and we are given 5, 1, and then we're given 3 minus 1. Remember, it's not drawn to scale. I'm just getting some 2 points. This is the center. So I need to get the center. How do I get the center? So to get the center, which is the same as HK, coordinates of HK, I take the x coordinates, which is x1 plus y1, x1 plus x2 divided by 2, and then y2 plus y1 over 2. So this is going to be 3 plus 5 over 2, and the other one is negative 1 plus 1 over 2. So I'm just adding the coordinates, dividing them by 2. So this will be 4, and this is going to be 0. So that is the center for 0. Now when I know the center, I just have to find the radius. And to find the radius, I just need to use the formula we used on the previous example. So I'm just going to call this x1, y1, x2, y2. So this becomes 5 minus 4 squared plus 1 minus 0 squared. So I get this is 1 plus 1, which is equals to 2. So r squared is equals to 2. So the equation becomes x minus 4 squared plus y minus 0, so just y squared is equals to 2, and that's the equation of the circle.